iQOO has just launched the Neo 11 Ultra, its latest entry in its gaming-oriented Neo line. It will be available in light white, shadow black, and wind chaser finishes. Feature a 3D dynamic texture on the rear panel. The Neo 11 Ultra will have a metal frame with a matte finish and measure 9.13 mm in thickness. Weighing in at 225 grams, a flat 6.83-inch 2K OLED panel with a 144Hz refresh rate, built with Visionox F2 luminescent material hitting up to 4,500 nits of peak local brightness, and an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. An IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. The Neo 11 Ultra is the first phone to use MediaTek's Dimensity 9500M. It's paired with LPDDR5X Ultra memory and UFS 4.1 storage, up to 16GB RAM and 512GB storage. It has a 50MP main camera and an 8MP ultra-wide lens. The front camera is 16MP, packs a massive 9,100 mAh battery paired with 100W wired fast charging. The Neo 11 Ultra starts at 3,399 yuan for the base 12GB plus 256GB configuration. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.